While there is no 100% guarantee that a girl will let you kiss her, there are things you can do to put her at ease and improve your chances. Spend time getting to know her, and make sure the time is right. Before you make your move, dress up nicely, brush your teeth, and make sure you look and smell your best. Wait for a moment when you're both relaxed and comfortable, hopefully in a romantic setting where you can have a little privacy. Look for signs that she might be in the mood to lock lips. For example, you might catch her leaning in close, gazing into your eyes, or glancing at your lips. Say something like, "I'd love to kiss you right now. Is that okay?" If she says yes, lean in slowly and tilt your head to one side so you don't bump noses. Close your eyes and gently touch your lips to hers.